Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download the Windows 10 ISO file. To begin, just open your browser and type download Windows 10 ISO and hit enter. Sometimes Google will ask you to confirm that you are a human. At this stage, you will see the logo of Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, and it shows download Windows 10 disk image. Click on it and you will be redirected to the official website. If you see a different language than the one you want, just scroll to the bottom. Here you will see the little icon of the planet. Click on the language next to it and you can select English or Spanish or whatever. Don't worry if you get redirected here, just click again on Windows 10 and here we're going to select the download option. A little tool will be downloaded to our computer, so just click on it to run. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer or to your device. Just click yes. We will wait a few seconds and then it should be loaded. And we should be able to see getting few things ready. At this stage, I invite you to read the Microsoft software license terms, or you can just scroll down to the bottom and click accept. This operation usually takes maximum 1 minute to 2 minutes as max. At this stage, the option that we will select create installation media and click next. We will untick use the recommended options for this PC and we will select the language that we want. For now, I will leave it just English. And for edition, there is only Windows 10 available. And for architecture, it should be only 64, but sometimes you can download even both or just one. So you can either select both or just 64 or 32. If you are unsure, just check the computer that you want to install this Windows on and check the architecture of it, and it must be one of these two. You can actually download both if you want so that you solve the problem. For now, I'll stick to 64 and I will click next. And here I want to select the ISO file so that I can use it as I want. So select and click next. I will choose the location where this file will be saved. So I'm gonna select data and I'm gonna save it here. And the download shall begin. This operation usually takes between 3 to 7 to 8 minutes based on how fast is your internet. I will just pause the video here and we will take back once the next step is prompted. So now as you can see, it shows here that it's been saved to this location. By just clicking on it, it will guide me directly to the file. And here we have the Windows 10 ISO file. So we will just rename it Windows 10. And now it's ready to be used.